In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not syncing. If your inbox isn't updating, follow along and we'll walk through a simple checklist to get things flowing again. First, give Gmail a quick refresh. If you're using a browser, tap or click the reload button to refresh the page. This forces Gmail to request the latest messages and can clear a temporary view glitch. It's a quick, low-effort step that often does the trick. Next, make sure sync is actually enabled. If sync is off, your emails simply won't update in the background. In the Gmail app, open Settings, choose your account, and ensure Sync Gmail is turned on. On many phones, you can also check System Account Sync Settings and confirm Gmail is allowed to sync. Once that's enabled, Gmail can automatically fetch new mail. Now confirm your internet connection. Toggle Wi-Fi off and back on to reset the connection. If Wi-Fi is spotty, switch to mobile data to test. And if airplane mode is on, turn it off so your device can reconnect. No internet means no sync, so this step is essential. If you're on public Wi-Fi, make sure you've completed any sign-in page the network requires. If the inbox still looks stale, force a manual sync. Open the Gmail app and swipe down from the top of your inbox to trigger a refresh. You should see a spinner indicating it's checking for new messages right now. If nothing changes, restart your device. Power it off completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. A reboot clears temporary glitches and resets background services that Gmail relies on. Next, check your storage, and this one is important. Open Google Drive and look at your total storage. Many accounts have a 15 GB limit shared across Drive, Photos, and Gmail. If you're full, syncing can stop. Delete large or unneeded files and emails, then empty the trash in both Drive and Gmail so the space is truly freed. Give it a moment after emptying trash for the new space to register. If you're still not syncing after all that, narrow down the cause. Remove and re-add your Google account on the device to refresh the connection. Reinstall the Gmail app to rule out a corrupted install. Try signing into the same account on another device and also check from a computer. If Gmail works elsewhere or on the web, the issue is likely with the original device or app. If it fails everywhere, it points to an account side problem. Follow these steps in order, and you should have Gmail syncing smoothly again.